In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a long tie that can be formed into a bow. First of all, I cut a tiny piece of paper that has a width of 2.5 inches and I measured 7 inches on that piece of paper. Thereafter, I marked 1 inch throughout the 7 inches that I have marked before, and this is me rolling out the 1 inch. After rolling out this 1 inch all through, I'll go ahead to cut open each line that I have ruled out, and after that I'm going to splash what I have opened on my fabric, then I'll cut it out. You can easily cut a straight long piece of cloth to make this, but the reason I'm using this method is because this method gives a better result. By the time this is attached to the neckline of your cloth, you discover that the back part would sit properly on the fabric. If you're using a long piece of cloth just straight, it won't give you that perfect result that you want, because by the time you tie the bow at the front, the back area would leave some kind of space. There will be space at the back, and you don't want that to happen to your cloth. That is why you should use this method, is preferable. So you can see the curve there. That is the curve that would lay properly on your cloth. So I've just laid this on my clothes all spread out, and I added about 0.5 inches on both sides. That gave me 3.5 inches. So that's what I'll be using for my seam allowance. The length I used for this bow tie is 30, and this fabric I folded it into 4. That is 2 for the bow tie and the other 2 for the facing. So I've just connected the straight line from the base of this fabric to the curved part. This is what it looks like. So I have 2 extra for the facing and these 2 for the bow tie. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe, give it thumbs up, and share this video to those that this video will be helpful to.